Hello, in this video you will learn how to submit a request for a 3D print project to our Makerspace staff. First, you'll need a digital model of your requested project. At Thingiverse.com you'll find millions of pre-made designs and custom parts that you can use for your model. As you browse, be sure to scroll to each model's Summary, Files, and Makes tabs. The more information you find on these tabs, the better you can decide whether the model is fit for 3D printing. A good design for 3D printing at the library will include infill between 10 to 30%. A good design should also include 12 files or less. The more files a model requires, the longer it takes to print. The library cannot fulfill requests that take longer than 12 hours. Talk with a Makerspace staff member if your project exceeds 30% infill, has more than 12 files, or requires supports. Be cautious of models with few or zero makes, and avoid any model that includes the label Thing in Progress. Lastly, always check the comments to see if others have reported any issues with the model. If you don't find what you're looking for on Thingiverse, you can also explore other websites like printables.com for pre-made designs and custom parts. Once you have found or created your ideal design, submit your request online at library.loudoun.gov/makerspace. That concludes our tutorial on how to submit a 3D print request. Thank you for watching.